Huh. It's a bird. A bird has just flown into my window. Oh, I hope it's all right. Oh, I hope it's not. Oh, no. No, it's moving. Oh, its eyes are open. What a relief. Hello, little bird. Are you all right? That was quite a crash. You were flying pretty fast. Oh, no, you're moving your wings. Oh, that's good. Is anything broken? How about your feet? Your toes? Oh, he's standing up now. Easy, does it? Easy. Careful. Well done. Give yourself a good shake. And a blink. Oh, I think you're good to go. Go on then, off you go. Off you... No. Oh, you're coming closer. You're coming towards me. Now, that is interesting. I don't think I've ever been looked at deep in the eyes by a bird before. Hello. Yes, hello, bird. Oh, I don't know if you can hear me. There's a window between us, you see. But you're still coming closer, and you're nodding. You're nodding at something. Nodding towards... Oh, you want me to come through the front door? Oh, no, I'm not allowed. I can't do that. I'm not allowed outside. No, I've already had my one piece of exercise, so I can't come out. It's this pandemic thing, you see. If I go out, I could catch it or spread it, so we've all got to stay... Oh, you already know that. What, stay here? Oh, yeah, I'm staying here. I'm not going anywhere. You're heading off, are you? Oh, you'll be right back. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, okay, I'll wait. The bird has told me to wait. It's flown off quite easily, quite straight, so it must have made a full recovery. Wow. It's flying pretty high. I don't think I'd ever really noticed before. It's flown off right over that row of houses in front of my house and now it's gone. Did a bird really just tell me to wait? A bird? Oh, there it is! Oh, no, wait, that's another bird. No, it's the bird! And he's bringing two of its friends. They're all lining up outside the window. 1, 2, 3. That was quick. Hello, birds. Right, they're lining up outside the window, equal spaces between them. And they're all looking at me. It's quite weird having 3 birds look at you. The bird I spoke to first is in the middle. It's opening its beak. I think it might be saying something to the other 2. Oh, yes, that's right. The 2 birds either side of the middle one, they've both nodded. Okay, wow. The 2 birds on either side have stretched out their right wings. Oh, yes, beautiful. Oh, look at those long feathers, yeah. Oh, very nice. What, me? They're asking me to do it. Okay, then. Oh, flapping up, flapping down, flapping up, flapping down. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels good. I can see why you do it, birds. Oh, right, now the other side. Oh, yes, okay, then, here we go. Up and down, up and down. Oh, yeah, I think I'm getting the hang of this. Oh, right, now both at the same time. Oh, yeah, here comes the crunch. Okay, what do you think? How am I doing, my birdie friends? Am I getting the swing of it? Oh, yes, I'm liking this. Okay, what's next? Oh, rapidly bending the knees. Yes. Oh, tucking the toes together. Ah, yes, very nice, very streamlined. Yeah, I can see how he gets a high. Oh, right, leaning forward a little bit. Oh, leaning in the direction you want to go. Yes, that makes sense. Am I what? Am I ready to... Oh, well, we're going somewhere. Oh, crikey. Well, they've all turned their backs on me and all I can see is tail and oh, blimey. Oh! Oh, blimey! Oh, blimey! We're going up and up. We're getting higher and higher. The birds are in a V shape in front of me, but they're being very kind and protecting me. So I'm behind the main bird like a pilot in a cockpit. Oh, I can feel the breeze beneath me. Oh, it's lifting me up. What's that? I can slow down the flapping. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm soaring. Oh, I'm like a plane. I'm like a glider. Bit of turbulence. What's that? I'm sorry, you're gonna have to shout a bit. All this wind makes it hard to hear. I've just got to enjoy it. Look around. Okay, right, yeah, well, where are we? Oh, crumbs. Yes, quite right. Don't look down, look around. All right, well, where are we? Oh, look, there's the primary school. And the valley behind it and the river. Oh, and I can feel the warmth on my wings and, my arms. It feels lovely. It's also quiet. No cars on the road, no trains. Even the motorway in the distance is completely silent. All I can hear is, well, you lot, to be honest. Oh, what a beautiful song. It's like a symphony. What was that? Sorry, I was listening to your friends. Oh, it's only noisy because I'm not used to it. But it's us humans that are the noisy ones. Yeah, I suppose you're right. There's the lorries and the diggers and cement mixers and aeroplanes and phones and loudspeakers. They're all quiet now, though, aren't they? None of that's happening now, is it? And you prefer it? Yeah, well, I can see why you might. Sorry, what was that? You cheep rather quietly. And the air's cleaner. Yeah, well, it is very fresh up here. It's normally a fog of pollution. And your feathers are cleaner. Yeah, well, they do look very, very clean and fluffy. So what should we do? Yeah, us humans, what do you think we should do? Try to walk and cycle. Leave the cars at home as much as we can. Yeah, well, that's fair enough. It really is very beautiful up here. I didn't realise where we live is quite so gorgeous. The fields and the hills, they look like somebody's thrown a patchwork quilt over a sleeping giant. And there's so many trees! Not as many as there used to be. Well, that's a shame. We should plant some more. And the moors. Well, they're just spectacular. I can see why they'd be important to you. They look like they're full of good things to eat. Oh, are we making a circle here? I think I need a steering wheel. I don't know how to... Oh, yeah, okay. Right, thanks. Oh, wait. Are we about to? Should I get ready to? Might need to work on my landing next time, my birdie friends. You make it look very easy. But thank you. I've very much enjoyed that. And I didn't realise how much quieter and cleaner things are now that we're all indoors. And it's better for you that way, isn't it? I think we need to learn to share the planet a bit better. Don't we? Oh, they've set off now. Heading for home. That was quite the experience. And perhaps they'll come again. Or maybe you could come next time. Ah, after all that, I've worked up quite the appetite. Wonder what's for tea. This'll do nicely. Bon appetit.